Hey guys, it's Mr. PLaiiB0Yx here. Or call me Eddie, don't mind. But today I'm doing my first ever commentary, and today I'm gonna be doing it on what I think is a basic color correction for Sony Vegas. Today I'm gonna go through brightness and contrast, color correction, color curves, saturate, adjust, and sharpen. So you know, about 5 things there. Just a basic run through, as we're going to start from the beginning, and I think this will help a lot of people. It helps me. I always like at least one basic color correction. So really, as you can see, I use Sony Vegas 11, and we're going to jump right into it. And as you can see, I've already got my clip here. You know, I've got this on COD 4. I was playing Hardcore Headquarters in Vacant, and I got this, and I thought, you know what, I'll use it for how to show you how to do a nice color correction. So I'm going to show you my clip before it's actually not like had anything done to it.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. They're not rendered. Oh, he got my headset.
So as you can see, yeah, I got a flat headshot. Whoop-de-doo. Anyway, so really, before we start to begin, as you can see, I don't have a volume box in another screen here like that screen. If you go to the top left, it has a little close button. Click that, and it will take away that. As you can see, you can drag it how far you want. You can drag this down here, which widens the screen like that. To me, I like it where you can see like everything in about equal. So this I have equal. So I have quite a big screen. I have quite a big box to see all these. So first, we're gonna start off with brightness and contrast. And hang on, I'm just gonna drag this about a bit more. There we go. And as you can see, I've already got mine saved. That's just a bright one, but I like making my own really color correction. I just like making it on the spot. But I've always saved at least one decent color correction, like the same color correction. So I'm gonna drag this in, and as you can see, it's come up with these. If you feel like I'm going too fast, please pause the video, and because if these do help you, please copy them down. Feel free to copy whatever. But if you feel like I'm going too fast, pause the video and copy them. But I will be reading them out. But as you can see, it's changed this. It became more brighter as it was before. So the brightness is 0.070, contrast is 0.250, and the contrast center is the same as it was before. So that's 0.500. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, some coke. But yeah. As you can see, I've saved it. Constantly keep saving. Whatever if you like it, please constantly keep saving it. I remember one time when I was editing something, and I had the really nice color correction. I used it all the way through the video. Came to another video exactly the same. Wanted to use it. I couldn't find it because I didn't save it. It was so frustrating. Had to try and make it on the spot again. But so yeah, type in whatever you want. So blah blah blah. I'm just gonna backspace that, and then click save, and it will come down here. So now I'm going to click save, and you just click off, and it should all come down here. So whenever you want it, just drag it about. So next it is color correction. Actually, I just save as whatever I feel like I want to. I have deleted all my other ones because it was kind of getting a bit crowded all up in here. So I put that back in again. As you can see, oh, didn't mean to skip it that close. As you can see, it became more darker if I drag this up a bit and scroll down here. And with this one, the saturation is 1.164, the gamma is 1.000, the gain is the same as the saturation, which is 1.164, and the offset is -18.600. Remember, keep saving it, okay? Now some people use color corrector secondary. Now I used it a couple of times, but I just didn't like it. To me, it just really just overwrit the first one. And to me, I don't know, I just didn't really like it. You guys might like it. If you do, please show me why you like it, and I might, you know, try using it. Now, color curves is down here. Drag it back in again. Now with this one, I see a lot of it on YouTube where people are showing it and they drag it all the way over here. Like a lot of videos I see it's like all the way dark and like that, and to me it just ruins the clip. Or they drag it all the way out there and it just, you can't even see none of it, and drag this all the way out there. To me the best way is you just drag out just a little bit. Just a little bit. I think I've dragged out too much here. Just a little bit. It's good if you wanna make your own. If you wanna become really creative, make your own. Is good. Editing is, if you have patience, you can be a good editor, but you need a lot of patience because editing does take a long time. As you can see, remember, constantly save. So next is saturation adjust. So I have to scroll down all the way down here, click on it. Here's mine again. Now this one, you should see it should bring out the colors more. As you can see, bring out the colors more. So I dimmed it just then, but this one's brightened the colors so they stand out more. Now this one, the amount is 0. When I say 0, I mean it's 0.000. The center is 0.350. Spread 0.750. The low is 0.550, and the high is 0. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. I'm trying to keep these up here just that extra couple of seconds, so you can write it down on like a paper or copy it straight into your Sony Vegas. If you feel like I'm going too fast, please comment on it, and I will try to slow down next time I do a next commentary. I've never really wanted to do a commentary, but you know, gotta do eventually, I guess. The next one is sharpen. I really like sharpen. I don't know why. It just makes everything so more clear. Right, you see Afrosaurus, the name Afrosaurus. Right, if you drag it down, look, watch Afrosaurus' name. Sorry, but that's kind of cut into it. But as you can see, it became much more clear. Everything became like just a little bit of shading or something like that. It just became so much clearer. Now this one, it's only one. You can only change it once. You like of all the other ones, you had all these extra boxes down here. This one is just the amount. The amount is 0.541. And really, guys, that's it for a simple color correction. As you're up here, you can see all what I've done. So brightness control, contrast, color correction, color curve, saturated adjustment, and sharpen. It just shows you everything. If you untick, then it takes it away. So if you didn't want a saturated adjustment, take it away. As you can see, it's changed it. But you still wanted to sharpen, click it again, bring it back out. You might not. You can like click through it, see if whether you want it, click on it, see. To me, nice basic color correction. I like to keep my stuff basic. Then I see a lot of videos, it's like over edited. I'm like, it's good stuff, but the editing to me is just overdone. Like you just see so much twixt and so much color correction that is so dark that I don't know. It's just a cave spider, if you get me. Well, it's a bit exaggerating, but you know what I mean. But just really
Oh,
click play, so I'll show you.
oh yeah. They're not rendered. Oh, he just can I headshot?
So as you can see, that is my clip edited. Nice basic color correction. If you like it, please give it a like. If you feel that if you feel like I could have done with some improvements, please comment it. I will take all the comments into, and I will probably answer them all. Really, we are just here. The TheEditingLife is here to help you guys learn what we can do, like all the editing, but basics. So if you feel like we haven't gone into enough detail, maybe add one of us on Skype and we'll talk to you like one-on-one, talk to you on how you might be able to solve it or something like that, or send us some ideas on what you think we can do. So send us some ideas on what videos you would like to see, and we all talk about it, because we all talk about everything. We all talk about it, and if we think it's a good idea, we will make it. One of us will make a video. Or if you just want to talk to one of us, just you can see the links on our channels. Just post on our personal channels. We're always on our personal channels, but just post it on that. So yeah, so really, that's it from me, guys. It's Mr. PLaiiB0Yx. See you later, guys. Bye.